Hey everyone, Reed here. Every month, Power BI releases a new set of features. This month, there are two features that I'm super excited got finally released. The first feature is that you can now increase the text size in the Dax formula bar. This is a huge and welcome addition for people with high-resolution monitors or instructors such as myself. It's been something that has existed in Power Pivot for quite some time, and I'm very happy it's finally made its way into Power BI. The second feature that I love is the Smart Object Guides. These are very similar to what you would find in PowerPoint and help you place objects in alignment with each other and for resizing them as well. So let's hop into Power BI and take a look at these additions. So like with my other videos, I'm going to use my report template, which is available for download if you'd like. So just as a quick 2-second plug, you can download the file at the link here. And with that said, let's move on. And I want to show you the really cool new features that just came out, specifically that Dax Zoom Function and the ability to use those Smart Object Guides. So you'll see those immediately apparent if I just grab any of these visuals and start dragging and dropping it around in my file. It has the ability to snap those around and make sure that those are nice and pixel aligned so you can design the report much more intuitively and fast. Now if you don't like these, you can turn them off by coming up to File, Options and Settings, Options up here, and navigating to the global report settings and turning off Display Smart Guides when visuals are aligned. And the other thing I really wanted to show you is that Dax Zoom function. So I'm going to come up here to my measures table, and I'm going to use my sales amount running total as an example. You can actually use the control function to zoom in and out of this. So watch this. There we go. You can zoom in, you can zoom back out, and you have the ability to control the text size, which is really convenient, again, for those high-resolution monitors, or as an example for myself as an instructor, it's really helpful for presentations when I can zoom in without having to use separate zoom tools. So that's about it for my favorite features for this month. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like or subscribe button below, or add a comment, and otherwise I will see you in our next video.